Hello, welcome back to my channel. I finished doing my seed organizing yesterday and put it on a piece of paper to figure out what I needed to order. So I did my seed sorting yesterday, what seeds I had, and I put down my order on a piece of paper that I'm going to order some specific seeds. I also organized all my seeds and I put them in baggies. And root vegetables, grains, start seeds indoors, direct sow, and my herbs. So that was nice to get those all organized so I know what I'm doing. So I'm starting these seeds indoors, and the first ones I'm going to show you that I'm going to do is I want to see if they're viable seeds. I want to plant them in my soil and then find out that they haven't grown. So these are my precious cascabellas. Those are the ones that the yellow hot chili peppers that I grew. And I got some seeds out of them. And I'm just going to sprinkle some on a damp paper towel. So what I'm going to do with my seeds that need to be started indoors, I'm going to start with my cascabellas. I'm going to wet a paper towel, just a little small portion of a paper towel, and I'm going to sprinkle some seeds. Just sprinkle some seeds, because I don't think all of these will be viable, so I'm going to sprinkle quite a bit, because I want probably at least 20 plants, maybe less. But that's all you do. You fold the paper towel up, it is damp, sprayed with water, and then you just go ahead and put it in a baggie and maybe check it in 4 or 5 days, check it again later. Whatever seeds are sprouting, you could then go ahead and start those in your seed starters. So I'm just folding this over just so it fits in the baggie. And put that in the baggie. And any seeds that are viable, like I said, I'll start it in my seed starting trays. So, that's what I'm going to do with the rest of my start indoor packet, is go ahead and get the rest of my wet paper towels, sprinkle the seeds, and put them in a baggie. And that's easy. That way you'll know what's going to grow and what isn't. Saves space, saves time, saves hoping that they'll come up. You'll know they'll come up. So, those are done. And moving on to the next one. Alright, till next time, we'll show you how to start the seeds in your trays.